Good morning, everyone. This is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional. And today, the question is, what is people's opinion on maximize conversions? Does the bid strategy actually work? For those who don't know, maximize conversion is a bidding strategy on Google Ads, where we have multiple bidding strategies through which we can see how do we want to interact with our potential customers and visitors. The few common are like manual CPC, where you have to pay for each click. When someone clicks on your ad, you have to pay a certain amount of money. Then we have enhanced CPC. Enhanced CPC is a bidding strategy where if a Google thinks that a customer is may purchase a product, he may or she, on that situation, Google may spend more than 30% of the allocated budget for that keyword if Google thinks that the advertiser may convert. The other are maximize impressions, where the focus is to generate as much as impressions as possible. And similarly, another bidding strategy is maximize conversion, where the goal is to generate as much possible conversions as possible. Conversion is actually a goal you set. For instance, if you want more leads, more sales, you can set a goal. You want more form submissions, you want more emails, newsletter subscriptions, whatever your goal is. So on maximize conversion, it's a bidding strategy. Let me show you as well. This is one of the Google Ads account, and you can see over here that a bid strategy type is maximize conversion over here as well, where the goal is to generate as much possible conversions as possible. Ideally, this is a very good strategy. People idealize for this strategy because your ultimate goal is to generate as much possible conversions as possible on Google. With more than 80% of the time, this is your ultimate goal. And we have seen the clients where the goal is just to generate maximize conversions. But the conversion strategy does not always work without proper settings. For instance, if it's a new campaign, maximize strategy will not give you good sales. You need to understand that you need data, and you to data you may have to move on maximize impressions, manual CPC, or top impression share, whatever your bidding strategy is. You can offer these three bidding strategies to get the data, to get some conversions. Once you get some good conversions, then you can shift on maximize conversions. But otherwise, this is not an ideal strategy. I have also seen scenarios where maximize conversions suddenly stops working. In scenarios where maximize conversions suddenly stops working, you may need to shift back to maximize impressions, manual CPC, or top impression share. These are the three strategies which I recommend, but there are other bidding strategies as well. So once if you see such scenario, then you may have to shift to other ones. So marketing is all about testing, and people may eventually get bored through your current strategy. So once in a while, you may need to come up with something new. So in those scenarios, you have to shift to other bidding strategy from maximize conversions. But there are other scenarios as well where maximize conversion does work and does not work. For instance, if it's if you are going to target a new market, new area, new location, something new where you do not have any existing data, again over there maximize conversion do not work, because for maximize conversion you may need data. And for data, I recommend three campaigns: maximize impression share, manual CPC, and top impression share. And if you ask me the two best of these, the maximize impressions and the top impression share, these two are my short listed bet, and the third is manual CPC. So get some data and then eventually shift to maximize conversions, and then you can get good sales. Yeah, it actually does work, but with a proper strategy, with a proper data, it does definitely work. And I have seen clients who got good results with maximize conversion. I have also seen clients where they do not got good results with maximize conversion, but the success ratio for working is more than 70 to 80%. Success ratio is there for maximize conversions. I hope this answers your question. And in case if you are looking for a professional Google Ads campaign setup, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the links in the description to get started and working with us. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye bye.